They just let their female have her puppies out in the kennel or in the doghouse, and it's unattended, which can be very dangerous for both the mother and the puppies. And then they live out there either on concrete or a lot of times dirt. And we keep them in this box with plastic on the bottom so it can be washed, and then we put pads in here. I'm going to have to change this one as soon as Rosie is finished eating. Well, feeding them. And I go give her ham. But, and then, of course, they're not in the house. They don't have the number of people to play with the puppies and socialize them completely. I've gotten some of mine that were just really pretty wild and had to do all the socializing myself. But this is not fair to the people that get the puppies, because they really need one that will be loving and know about sitting in laps and will not bite or chew things. We try to teach ours not to chew. And like cords and furniture. And this way we can keep them in a clean environment and we can play with them a lot, which we do. I tell them that they are cute puppies, because then when they do get out of the box, I can say, "Where are cute puppies?" And they will all come running immediately, because they know they are cute puppies. Hello there, babies. How are you, babies? Oh, yes. Yes, it's good babies. Oh, good babies. This one right here is Minnie Pearl. We named her that because she has a mini pearl on her head, one little tiny white spot. We're still trying to decide what to name her. Loretta Lynn or maybe Patsy Cline, but I'm also looking in a file I have that I've been making. And this one right here is the boy. Oh, he is so sweet and loving. Let's see, he's trying to get me to pick him up. Come here, I'll pick you up for a minute. Let everybody see you. Good gracious, you're big. His name is Jethro. We thought about naming him Johnny Cash because he's big and he's got a lot of black. He always dresses in black. Oh, now they're gonna play. But now I gotta change this pan. Our washer goes night and day. But it's worth it. Because this way we can give people the puppies that are ready to be a member of the family. And Border Collies have to be full members of the family. Because they're so bright, they're like having another child. Well, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye for me, puppies. Well, here's Rosie feeding the puppies. She's not really happy about it because they have gotten a lot bigger, as you can see. And I have to bribe her. I have to bargain with her. This time, I had to promise her that I would give her some ham if she would feed the puppies. We call it, she understands it as giving them food to eat. And you can see they're standing on their little hind legs, getting food to eat. And Rosie is a good puppy mama because Rosie gives good food to eat to puppies. Rosey is a reluctant puppy mama, but Rosey is good puppy mama. Yes, Rosey knows about being puppy mama. And after Rosey give puppies food to eat, then Mama give Rosey ham. Yum yum. But not yet. Puppies need food to eat. Let me get down here where you can see what they're doing a little better. I know it's kind of dark, but maybe you can see a little better. This is Valentine's Day. And oh, they are getting good food to eat. Oh, Rosey is good puppy mama. Rosey give puppies good food to eat. We're feeding them now. Or at least we're trying to. I haven't been around lately. Uh-oh, somebody lost their food to eat. Let me find one. Here's a good one over here. Here, let's go around here. Nope, stand still. Uh-oh. Well, she got one. No, here's one that needs one. Come here. Here's a good one right here. I know this is all over the place. There we go. Now she's latched onto a good food eat with lots of milk. Uh-oh, this is Lizzie Lou, and Lizzie Lou is unplugged. Uh-oh. Here, let's find one. Let's see if there's one up here under this tail. If they're all taken. Oh, they're taken. Let's go around here. Ah, there she is. She got one. They suck her dry pretty quickly, though. Which is good in her opinion, because she really doesn't... It's getting to where she doesn't want to do this anymore. No, you stay. Until Mama says. Rosey, stay. No, don't lie down. No lie down. If you lie down, puppies can't get food to eat. Can't get to all the good food to eat. This one's got a lot in it. Does anybody need one? There's Lizzie Lou. She's going at it. As you can see, they're quite vigorous in their eating habits. They tend to push and they push with both feet. Okay, here's one. Come here. That's Daisy Duke. No, this is a good one. It's got some good milk in it. Here we go. There we go. No, she says it doesn't either, but it does. It has a lot. Come on. I've been out of it, kind of. This is extremely tiring, but it's worth it. Oh, Rosey even looks happy. It relieves the pressure on her. Because when her dinners fill up with milk, it hurts. It's an evolutionary thing to make the mothers go and feed their babies so that it won't hurt anymore. And by the time they're 6 weeks old, she's going to be sitting on the back of the sofa. Because that's about the only place she can go to get away from them. Maybe on the bed. She's been getting on my bed. and I've got to get Leslie to change the sheets today. Because she got them quite dirty yesterday. It was raining outside, and she went out and went down to the lake and came back in here and got up on my side of the bed, and the sheets were not pulled up. So it was not pleasant. But that happens sometimes. Oh, Rosey is a good girl. See what a good puppy mama Rosey is. Oh, yes. Rosey is a good puppy mama. And oh, the little puppies are so cute. And this afternoon, I'm finally going to take individual pictures. I know I've said I was going to do that before, but I have not. Things have intervened. Here's Ellie Mae. I know you'll want to see her chin. Ellie Mae is already taken. She is going to live with Jen, and she has a J on her back. They got a puppy from us before, a Bandit, and he is one fine boy. And they like it because they like to get them from us because we have them pretty much trained by the time you get them. They'll be house trained, maybe just have a little accident until they figure out what they're supposed to do. And you really will need a dog door if you want them to be able to take care of it themselves. And we teach them basic things. I try to teach them to sit. And I teach them to come. And we play with them and hold them a lot because they need to be socialized. Most people don't carry it to the extremes that we do because they'll just